Hi, hello, and welcome to Buvi's tutorials. Today we are going to deal with 12th standard English, 3rd unit supplementary, The Hour of Truth, which was written by Percival Wilde. Actually, he was an American author and playwright. ஒரு பிளேக்கு ரொம்ப எசென்ஷியலான 3 கிளாசிக்கல் யூனிட்டிஸ்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய டைம், பிளேஸ் அண்ட் ஆக்ஷன் ஆர் clearly observed in this play. சப்ளிமெண்ட்ரியோட டைட்டில் சொல்கிறது போலவே இது ஹைலைட் பண்ணக்கூடிய வேல்யூ தீம் என்னென்னா honesty. The characters of this story is first the protagonist, main character is Robert Baldwin. Actually he is the secretary of a bank. Martha, his wife, John, his son, and Evie, his daughter. And John Gresham, he is his friend, best friend, and also he is the president of the bank. One more character, Donovan, he is the assistant cashier. Mr. Marshall, the president of another bank, that is Third International Bank. Now let's see the brief summary of this supplementary, because it's a very little longer supplementary, so here I am giving a brief summary, right?